up and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today marks the start of Vlogmas. I am super excited. Well, it's actually December 2nd, but today is the first day that I am vlogging for Vlogmas. So one thing that I do have to say is that I will not be vlogging every single day of December, but I do plan on incorporating a bunch of vlogs into this month, just compiling a different bunch of days here and there and doing maybe like vlog weeks or just uploading whatever days that I do vlog. I really want to participate in Vlogmas this year, but unfortunately because I do work a full-time job, I'm unable to vlog every single day of the month of December. Like there's no point because I work Monday through Friday. It just wouldn't work out well. But today I'm actually off and today's Wednesday. Came to the grocery store because I need to buy things to cook for tonight, and then I have to run to Lowe's to return something that I got. Also, by the way, we did move. We're in our new place now. We moved a few days ago and I am super excited, but I have a lot of unpacking to do. I have not unpacked that much. I still have a bunch of laundry to do. Like, it's just really crazy in the house. So I did bring Kylie to my mom's house to play with her cousin and, you know, just like get her out of the way so that I can get things done today because I do go back to work tomorrow. So yeah, I just came to the grocery store really quickly to grab some groceries, and then we're going to head to Lowe's and then head back home. So I also stopped at Starbucks to get like my go-to coffee drink. Normally I drink coffee at home, but today I did, like this morning I had no time to make coffee. So I did stop at Starbucks and I got my usual venti cold brew with 4 pumps, white mocha, sweet cream, and caramel drizzle. I'm not sure if it's the healthiest drink, but I do drink a lot of water throughout the day and I do try to eat somewhat healthy. So I feel like one bad drink a day won't kill me. You know, it's coffee. Like I need to have my coffee every morning or else I'm going to be cranky. I will not get things done. Like I need a little pick-me-up. Okay, so I am back home now, as you can tell by my background. So currently I am in the basement of our house. I don't think I've ever shown you guys like what our new place looks like. But yeah, I just got back from the store and I figured I'd just show you guys really quickly what our house is looking like currently. So please don't mind the mess that we currently have. We are still unpacking and trying to get things organized. I have a bunch of things just randomly everywhere, but I do plan on getting everything together within the next week. So yeah. So this is our living room and I still need to organize and decorate. As you can tell, the Christmas tree is not done. I only fluffed like half of the Christmas tree, but this rug is actually really nice. I got it off of Wayfair for like $100 and it's like an 8x11, I think. And it's super soft. I still haven't vacuumed it to make it even more fluffy. I have a lot of things just chilling around because I still need to unpack. I also got this rug off of Wayfair and it was only like $80, which is really nice because it's super soft as well. And we just have our dining table, a whole bunch of things. Here is just the kitchen. It's pretty basic. We have the island and then a whole bunch of things just chilling on the counters. I, again, need to clean it and just organize everything. We just have our fridge here and then also just a basic little pantry. I got a few things at the grocery store, but really quickly, I want to show you guys these slippers that I have on. These are from Target and they are the most comfortable slippers I have ever owned. They are only $10 and they always sell out. So at Lowe's, I just picked up this big OxiClean super-sized versatile odor and stain remover. I use this for laundry on like bed sheets and things. So I just picked up one of these. And then I also picked up this Rejuvenate Shine Refresher for the floors because we have all hardwood floors and we also have tile downstairs. So I just picked this up because it's supposed to make the floors really shiny. And then I also picked up this rug tape, and this tape is not supposed to mess up the floors because I know some carpet or rug tapes, they get stuck on the hardwood floor. So I specifically wanted something that wouldn't ruin the floor since we're renting. And I found this one, so I'm going to use this on some of the corners of the carpets that are lifting up a little bit. I got this from the Christmas section, which is really random, but it's just scented pine cones. I love Christmas scents, you know, like the cinnamon spice type of things. So I picked up 2 of these. Another one is on the floor somewhere in a bag. So yeah, 2 of these because they were only $5. And then also at Lowe's, I picked up this Wyman stainless steel cleaner and polish. because we have stainless steel appliances and I want to make sure I have no fingerprints on them. I'm very OCD about the way things look, so I want to make sure I have no fingerprints on my appliances. And then I also picked up another one of these. These are sensicles, and these are amazing to put around the house, but they're supposed to be for the Christmas tree. So I put these in our Christmas tree, and then I also put them hanging around our door, our front door. That way when you walk in, you get like that whiff of cinnamon. I'm really big on home scents. So this is just the scented ornaments in spiced pine cones. And then in this last bag, oh, it's just this really big size of Gain for our laundry. The last thing that I picked up at Lowe's is just this Rejuvenate Click and Clean multi-surface spray mop, and this I got to go with the Rejuvenate Shine Refresher. So yeah, I just got this, and this is supposed to also come with a grout brush because we do have the tile downstairs with the grout, so I want to make sure I clean that as well. And it also comes with the cleaner. So I want to try this because I really want a steam mop, but they are very expensive. There's one specifically on Amazon, like the Tenneco one, that I really want, but it's like $400, $300, something really crazy. So I'm waiting until Christmas so that I can get gift cards and then eventually save up to get a $400 steam cleaner. Until then, we're going to use a simple mop type of thing, a spray mop, and we're just gonna work with it, make sure we clean the floor. So that's the last thing that I got at Lowe's. Everything else is just groceries from when I went to Safeway. But really quickly, I'm going to just unload the groceries because I need to cook, and then I need to do all of the dishes because we have dishes piling up. I have not put away the dishes and it's really making me itch. Later in the night now. It's 7:49 p.m. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. We ate dinner and I have Kylie here. I have to get her ready for bed, so that is what we are going to do now and end the night off. Yeah, we just cleaned the entire kitchen. I still need to sweep and clean the floors. I plan on using the mop that I showed you guys earlier, but I might just do that later after I put her to bed. So I also unpacked, as you guys saw, the 2 boxes that I had here full of kitchen things. So we unpacked. Okay, Kylie. So we unpacked this. These are empty boxes that I need to take to the basement in the storage. And then this has to go in the garage for recycling. I need to clean off this table and bring up the rest of the chairs and then wipe the table down. And then I also have to set up this little shelf thing here. So yeah, we are pretty much done with the kitchen. Again, I just need to sweep and clean and it is all done. But for now, we have to get little Miss Kylie ready for bed. She is tired and she is ready for bed. Kylie? Yeah? Yeah? Your ponytails are so lopsided. Yeah? Say hi.
Hi.
Be gentle. Like this, baby. There you go. Wow. Oh, by the way, when I picked up Kylie from my mom's house, I stole a wreath that I actually put on the TV stand, but I need to fix it up a little bit and actually connect it. But I love it so much. I went to Hobby Lobby looking for a wreath and I could not find any because they were all sold out. So yes, I have a wreath and it's pre-lit. I just have to plug it in. We have to close this. Come on, let's go to your room. No. Yeah, that's for peepees. You're not going peepees. I think somebody will be ready to potty train soon. Are you gonna pick out your PJs? Okay, pick out your PJs. Her shirt is a mess and we just got that shirt. I've just finished giving Kylie a bath. She is all ready for bed. Oh. Her PJs are from Old Navy, by the way, if anybody's wondering. So I think we are going to call it a night today for this vlog. And I'm going to go ahead and put her to bed, and then I'm going to go to bed because I have work tomorrow morning. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.